Hey, this is GeekLeague. Welcome back. On this video, I want to introduce to you all essential shortcut for your macOS system. So let's go and don't close the tab. The shortcut key for copy is simple. Select your file, Command and C, and now your file are copied. With Command and V, you can paste what you copied previously. And for move everything in the Finder, you select your file, copy that, Command C, it's copied. And now go to your folder, for example here, select Option Command V, and now the file is moved. You can see now the file is not here. You can cut everything with Command and X, select your text, Command and X, and that's it. Command Z, you can cancel your last action. The Shift, Command, and Z you can bring down your last undone action. With Command A, you can select everything like all text or your whole file. It's depending where you are. With the Command and F, you can search a word or sentence or file. For example, in Word, Command F, a pop-up window is open. Write a text, for example, Lorem, and click Enter, and you can search every word with sentence Lorem. Command and S is a shortcut for save quickly your files and everything. Command and W can close the active tab or window. With Command and Q, you can close literally your app. For example, if you close the Apple Music with the cross in the window, the app is always here. But if I select Command and Q, the app is literally closed. With the button Delete Only, you can delete the sentence. In the Finder, you can delete all file or folder with Command and Delete. And now, your file or folder are in the recycle bin. With the button Return, you can rename all file or folder like that. Select Return, and now you can give all name on your file or folder. With the button Space, you can show an instant preview without opening the app. With the command Shift, Command and N, you can create a folder in the current location. With the command and I, you can see all details about your folder or file. With Command and K, you open a pop-up window where you can add your path for your server. With Command and Space, you open Spotlight where you can search anything on your Mac. Command and Tab, you can switch from one open application to another. Command and Backtick, you can switch between the window with the same app. For an example here, I have two Finder's window and one window with for the clock. With this command and Backtip, I can switch only with the same window from the same app. With Option, Command and Escape, you open the menu to close the frozen app. With Control, Command and Q, you can lock your Mac immediately if you don't have the Touch ID key. Control, Command and F, turn full screen mode on off. Control the up arrow key, you can show all windows and your virtual desktop. Shift command and number 3, you can capture the enter screen. Shift command and number 4, you can choose exactly which area to capture. Shift command and 5, you have most tools for screenshot and screen recording. Command and T, you can open a new tab on your browser or Finder. Shift command and T, you can bring back the tab you closed by mistake. For example, I close my tab, Shift command T, and that's it. Your windows come back. Command and L, you can select the browser address and write your address directly. That's it, the GeekLeague. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video and or other. And see you to the next video, the GeekLeague. Cheers!